Welcome to the video of how to be a successful Meesho supplier. When your catalogs become live on Meesho, they will be visible to the crores of customers who shop on Meesho. So, to stand out from the competition, you've to ensure that you're following the best practices. There are a number of things you can do to enhance the visibility and credibility of your products. Let us go through them in details. Best practices for uploading catalogs. 1. List more catalogs. We recommend you upload 10 to 15 catalogs to get orders quickly on the platform. Try to upload at least 3 products in each catalog. The more catalogs you upload, the better your chances will be of getting the initial few orders. 2. Image quality. It is highly recommended that you use high-quality images that clearly show your product. Make sure that you include multiple real-life pictures of your product from multiple angles. Buyers prefer products which contain real-life pictures of the product. This gives them an actual view of the color and the size. For example, when shopping for lifestyle products, customers prefer to see a real image to identify the right color and fit of the product. Or, in the case of utility items, customers prefer images that depict the real size of the product. To check the guidelines that your product image should comply with, you can cross-check this list and make sure your image submissions match the criteria. Here are a few examples of what's a good image and what's not. 3. Product description and recommended fields. All the product description fields that are optional contain important information that the user refers to in order to make an informed decision before making a purchase. Make sure that you enter correct and complete information in these fields. We highly recommend you to mention the key USP of your product in the product name to make it more relevant for the customers. Four. Set a right price. Make sure to consider the costs associated and the margin that you want to keep while setting up the perfect price for your products. Meesho not only helps you to boost your online presence but also allows you to earn more in every sale by keeping its commission prices zero. It is recommended that the pricing that you set for your products should be competitive so that buyers find it more appealing than other brands. Recommendations on orders processing and inventory management. 1. Make the habit of next day dispatch. Next Day Dispatch (NDD) program requires supplier to dispatch orders on the next day of receiving orders. Faster dispatch helps you to increase your order volume. NDD will help you cater more orders since suppliers who do next day dispatches are given higher visibility than those who don't. The catalogs that you enter in the NDD program also get a NDD tag visible on the platform, which attracts 12% more customers on an average. You can join our Next Day Dispatch program by writing us a mail to nextday.dispatch@meesho.com. 2. Keep your inventory updated. To receive more orders, it is recommended to keep stock of 20 or more of each product in all your live catalogs. 3. Smart Suggestions Inventory. You can go to the inventory panel to get an idea of estimated orders for each of your catalogs along with the expected date till your current inventory will last. Take a note of these suggestions to restock your inventory on time. 4. Packing efficiency. Make sure to keep your packing compact. Remember to use a durable material to avoid damages while shipping, especially in the case of fragile items. Smart pricing recommendations. We have built a price recommendation feature that suggests the competitive price of your product with respect to the market demands. You can use this recommended price to adjust the price at which you should list your catalogs and maximize your chances of getting orders. You can even choose a price lower than what Meesho suggests. To update your product price to the recommended price, simply click on the Update Catalog Price button. You can also choose to click on the Edit button to enter the new price and then save it. Insights from customer reviews. Your catalog's average ratings reflect the user perspective of the products in it. Use these reviews and ratings to make improvements in your products. You can check ratings for each catalog in Inventory, in Stock catalogs. Click on See Details button to view in-depth reviews for your catalog. You can choose this data to identify the catalogs that are not performing well. Ensure that your catalog's average rating stays above 3.5. Suppliers who keep their rating above 3.5 get more orders than the ones who don't. If you have any doubts or queries, please go to the support section of the admin panel. You will then be redirected to a page with a list of common problems that suppliers face. You can click on these topics to resolve your doubts. If your queries are still not solved, you can raise a ticket by clicking here, where you will be asked to share more details regarding the query and a callback number so our agents can get in touch with you. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel